Animated event is a helper function that will take a configuration and traverse that configuration and then call set value on the animated values that you've passed to it. This is typically used with scroll view, pan responder, and anything else where you just need a function returned and a configuration to traverse the arguments that are called and automatically call set value on your animated value. To demonstrate this, we're going to cause this background to change whenever things are scrolled. So we have an animated value here on state. We're interpolating from orange to blue over 3000. And that is coming from our styles.content. The styles.content is just some fake content with a 3000 pixel height set on it. So on our scroll view, we're going to say scroll event throttle is equal to 16. And this is saying we want our onScroll function to be called every 16 milliseconds, and that'll help us achieve 60 frames per second. Now we can define our onScroll function. And typically you would have to do a function here or something else, which is then called with an event. We would then need to get the e.native event.content offset.y, and then we would say this.state.animation.set value, this value. This is a little bit robust, and so we can add the animated event helper. Because we are grabbing the first argument of this function, that means that we need to say animated.event. We then pass in an array, and whichever index of the array that you put your configuration object is going to be the map to the argument order that is called. So because we're the first argument, we just want this first index. We'll put an object here and say native event. We'll then say content offset y, and then this.state.animation. And then this will then traverse the first event argument that gets called and then automatically call set value on our this.state.animation. And now that we have this set up, if we refresh this, we can see that as we scroll, our animated value is getting set, which then this interpolation is being affected, and our colors are changing.